Hey guys, what's going on here at the Green Guy Garage, Green Mini Truck Garage, whatever you want to call it. Not doing a lot today. Figure I'd start working on this channel a little bit and making some more content for you, so you just, see what we're all up to. Just drop the socket, but that's part of how it is. I'm not the cleanest person. I try to organize a little bit, but I don't always do it. All I'm doing today is just putting a valance, air dam, whatever you want to call it, on here. Not a whole lot wrong with this one. My lovely wife cleaned up the grill and stuff and the bumper, but I told her don't even bother cleaning this thing, this piece of plastic. Some bugs on there, but it's got some dents where I've snagged it, or rips or tears or bends or whatever. So just for your information, new Valance for first gen S10 is $8 for what they consider the good one, which it's not bad. It's not an OEM, but it's pretty close enough for a piece of plastic that's going to see every bug on the road. Bummer is they charge you $35 to ship it, so 40 bucks ish is what you're going to deal with on getting that piece of plastic. I went ahead and ordered 3 because I've got some ceiling storage of old parts. So put one on my coarse green Sonoma, and then this green S10 is going to get one too. So figure we just do a walk around while we're not doing a whole lot. You've seen videos on this truck, but this is my other project. This is a 86 OZ-van is what I call it, 86 Astro. This was kind of a demo vehicle back in the day. Don't know if it ever really hit competition, but it was lost for a few years. I'll do a video on this sometime, but it's got opening back door, which wasn't even normal back then in 1986. This was made around 1990, but I am also a van guy. You see louvered hood. There's my 92 out there, a little Bailey car. So talk about some of that stuff later. I've got crap laying everywhere, but we'll get that valance on and show you how that goes. But as you can see, this is the Green Guy Garage. It's just a little 2-car garage that I work on my projects on in here, and then park the daily cars in the attached garage. It's also a 2-car, and still got a few floating around outside. But one of these days I'll get this motor running in this thing. It runs like crap. Might need a new distributor or something, but I'll play with that as time goes by. Got a couple custom seats. The other one's just in the back there, and the side door opens like a gull wing as well. It's got little his and her sunroof, moon roofs, if you will. They pop open and come out. Back to the valance. Get that thing on there. If I counted last time, I think it's 9 screws, bolts, and people put them in different ways. Should be a body clip with a body bolt that goes in there, but I mean, really nut and bolt washer, that works out just fine. Got the valance off. Just a little tip: if you have a friend who's redoing their carpet, cut you out a little square, makes laying on the concrete a little easier if you don't have a lift like I don't. There's the old versus new. Obviously it's clean, but that other one's been on there for a long time. I think this will just look better. 9 bolts, like I told you. That's what it looks like. I used a body clip and a bolt. You can see that clearly. But this air dam, it's a simple thing. It's really pretty easy. It takes a little time to put on and off, just because you got to make sure it's going to handle 80 mile an hour and all that, or whatever, or more. But it completely changes the looks of these trucks. It's like it has a beard or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'll get it on. I'll show you when we get done here. Oh, I'll show you one more thing. So without the valance, you can see my huge LED bar, which I actually made. I made all 4 sides and even some under the bed when it lifts up, and not too bad if you know how to solder, but there's people out there that make these kits, and I just preferred to make my own, so it hides right underneath the valance. So I thought you'd like to see that. Well, we got it all on there. It didn't take too long. So much better. Figure I'd show you a few things. When I watch YouTube videos, Always curious the tools they use. I like this right angle Makita drill, little snap-on hand drill. Obviously you need a, you know, adapter so you can use your socket in that drill. Handheld screwdriver, magnet tool, pair of pliers to hold the body nut on the back. Also figured I'd show you these part numbers here. This is the Valance, which again, it's just a Rock Auto basic part, but it does look good. It makes a huge difference. I mean, old one wasn't that bad. I probably could have cleaned it up, but this gave me an excuse to give you, clean off our lens there. We got a little dirty. Some content. So, just for fun, kick on those LEDs again and show you the finished product. Oh, there it is, guys. There's a new valence for the S10. Looks good. Average guy, 20 minutes worth of work, half an hour at most, but what a difference. Don't drive them without a valence. Air dam, it really makes a huge difference. And like I said, I bought 3, so $24 plus the $35 shipping. Came out to be about 60 bucks, so about 20 bucks a piece to have a couple extras. So get 3 or buy 1 or whatever, but get one. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and we'll see you next time.